breaking in, taking all my love back. Bang, 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 get out. Okay, bye.
I don't understand this. I really don't.
Oh, oh, this is so good.
This is like
Home sweet home. We got it unlocked. Let's go to where we did. Now put your hands up.
oh, this is so funny. Girl, you crazy.
Go on.
Keep going, Jasper. Can you get back up?
You did it in the hallway.
Oh my god. Hey, baby. What are you doing?
Why don't you just put a layup? Are you
Okay.
recording? Oh.
1, 2, 3. Have you any Speak English. Do you have any wishes? Any wishes? First, 3. There was 5 candles. You're fine. No, we get 3.
Wait a minute, that's your hand.
David!
Yeah.
No, I didn't. Actually, I don't know why. Damn it.
Gosh,
You did.
what a
Did you,
fail.
did you grab her?
I grabbed the whole night.
You did something.
Man. Failed, Jess.
You failed, David. You're supposed to scare me. What was this?
One thing he was supposed to.
No, the first one he got, he goes like this, and then he goes so. See, we're not in England, so it doesn't work. Like, but if we were, it would. Can I step on you?
It hurts. It hurts.
Watch out.
Oh my god.
Tell me when you want me to get off then, okay?
No, ma.
No.
I'm not being blown at by the rain because I have found this umbrella. It just came to me. That's what it was. It just came to me. It just came.
How did it come to you, Jasmine?
It rolled on the ground. I was like, ah, let me pick it up.
I was scared to touch it.
And Dave was too scared because he thought it was a bat on the ground. He thought it was a bloodsucker him.
Yeah, I was gonna bite it.
What is she doing?
She wants to see his wart, and she won't let him. I mean, he won't
Don't
let
say
her.
Show them. I just let me see it. It's like 2 seconds.
Underneath your feet?
Where is it?
On his face?
It's like, okay. Fart. It's a fart. It's a noise
Pull it out
putty.
What? No!
I'll throw it harder.
Why are you doing a thing?
Oh! Oh, there's a spot! Oh, ew! Ew, that's how wet it is.
It is so gross.
Ew. Ew, Jeff farted. Ew, his hands are all wet.
I'm here, hi. That is ridiculous. No, it's weird you waddling like that. Go back home. No! That was kind of freaky. Go!
And look at me.
trying to get the balls. Have you ever tried biting your ear?
No.
Oh, hey. I was thinking in my head, I was like, I wonder if she switched it back to the camera. Well, this is awkward. Trina, say hello to the camera. Hi. Tonight you're going to be visited by 3 ghosts. The ghosts of Christmas past, the ghost of Christmas present, and the ghost of Christmas future. And together, we make the ghost of Christmas! Da-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Where'd you go? Where'd presents go? Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear David. Happy birthday to you.
Look, Cynthia. I took coins right there.
Look, it's for sure.
Oh no!
Look at her.
Which one? Hurry, before Jasmine gets all of it. Gentlemen.
Oh!
Crisscross.
What the heck is this? On show, isn't he?
Catch it!
Really?
Really?